Hello guys, once again it's mango season, and let me tell you, all mangoes are in threat of being eaten or consumed in one way or the other. Mangoes are rich in vitamin C, they have potassium, iron, and a range of other health benefits. So today we're preparing something special for you. So okay guys, last time we made for you some mango juice, and here we're going to show you just another way you can be using your mangoes in this lovely summer season. Right, a fabulous idea to cool down the kids on a hot summer day. We're making some popsicles for the kids. Yes, you heard that correct. We're going to make mango popsicles, and we're not going to take you through the lengthy process of making the juice for the mango. You know, you can follow out the video. We just juice the mangoes naturally. You may add a little water or not, and a little sugar and ginger, as we have done in this case. You just need to fill them up like this. Pour it. Whoops, that's it. Not all the way up, because when you put things in the refrigerator and it freezes, it swells up a bit. So you just want to pour it in like that. Oh, a little spill here and there, but that's all right. Oops. That's it. Okay, so there's a tiny spill, no problem. Just gonna shift this away and just dry that away quickly. All right. That will happen if you're doing a closed circuit movement like this, because we don't sell it to narrow. That's all right. Now, once you finish this, you see we haven't filled it all the way up to the top, because, like I mentioned, you want to know that when you put the covers on, it doesn't just float up out of it. So you just put this in gently, nicely. Cover it down like that. That's it. One down, and 3 to go. It's another one. I bought at our local home accessory store, so you may get yours maybe at one of those similar stores in your area. And there we go. Already, we're going to put these in the freezer for about, let's say, for 3 hours or so. 2 to 3 hours. If you have a deep freeze, it might freeze faster. But I'm going to put them in the refrigerator and remove them. And we'll be back to show you what they look like. There's a little spot right here. Perfect. Alright, there, we'll be back guys. Okay guys, we're back here now. I actually left these overnight because I didn't want to wait up. So here we go to remove these lovely popsicles now. Your mango popsicle. Isn't that awesome? Nice healthy summer treat for the kids. And guess what? Don't imagine that they just slip out this easily all the time. I had to just run some water over it for it to slip out easily. You know, kind of like when you fill up your ice tray and then you have a little glitch. So I run a little water over it so that it will just leave the mold a little easily. That's it. There you go. A few friends coming over, you can do a couple of these if you like. Nice and healthy for the summertime. Thanks for watching guys. Now if you liked this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, see you. Ciao.